this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is some nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. See on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Let's talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen the hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is excellent and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various maintenance and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new